Shubham, yes, please
Good
come.
afternoon. Yeah.
Please sit down.
Thanks.
Shubham, introduce yourself.
Sir, I am from district Katiyar, Bihar. I've done my schooling from Bihar College, and I've did my graduation in civil engineering from IIT Bombay. During graduation days only, I did two internships, one at Mumbai and another at Purdue University, United States. And from 2018 April, I am preparing for civil services.
Shubham, tell me, Katihar is known for something, significant for something? Katihar district?
Recently it was in news for Goga Beach. That is the first community reserve in Bihar.
Okay. And what about Durgaganj?
Sir, it is a post office.
Small town.
Small town, yes.
Okay. Now, what are your border districts with Nepal? Which are the border districts?
So if we go from east to west, then first one is Kishanganj, then Araria, then Sitamarhi, West Champaran is there, Supal is also.
Okay. Now, you are a civil engineering student, I think. Student of civil engineering.
Yes.
Right? Now, what are earthen dams?
So earthen dams are embankments made up of mostly sand and gravel, and it is generally built sideways adjacent to rivers and small rivulets.
Which is the biggest earthen dam in India?
Sir, I am forgetting the name.
Where is it located? Which state?
I think it is in Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Okay. You can check on that when you go.
Okay.
Just check on that. You take interest in backpacking and trekking.
Yes, sir.
So what do you do really?
Sir, backpacking is economic travel where I go with very small belongings, and generally the aim is to interact with people.
Okay.
And also ecotourism is a part of that. And in trekking, when I was in school, I took part in Pachmari trek, that is in MP, Madhya Pradesh. And then when I was in college, then in Western Ghats I did trekking.
Okay. Now you passed out from IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay.
Yes.
Now recently, Government of India has sought the help of IIT for combating air pollution. Did you read about it?
Sir, last year also it was in news. IIT Kanpur and also IIT Delhi. Some professors were engaged in this, and they also made the index. And
No, it is about a tower there. They're thinking of a tower to control air pollution.
yes, sir. First tower, I have read that in Delhi it was built, and it has inspired from the air towers from China actually.
Okay. Now, what do you mean by demographic dividend?
So when the population of a country is in the working phase, and if it can provide support, contribute in the economic development of the country, then that is called demographic dividend.
So, what do you mean by median age?
Median is, sir, I believe that the maximum people that is there within that age group, and that would be median age.
Okay. So, say by 2022, what will be the median age? In, for example, in China, how many percent of the population, and how many percent of the population in India? In what age group?
Sir, I am not exactly aware of, but what I have read, it will be more than 40, and for India it would be close to 30.
28.
28 or 20. Yes.
Okay. Now, climate change, a very important subject. Now, what are your thoughts on, say, the American stand on climate change, present stand on climate change?
So in last 2 years, we see that America got out of Paris climate deal, and they are the present president. He is not accepting that climate change is happening, and also that they are accusing developing countries that they are not taking sufficient steps.
And what is our stand, official stand on climate change?
So, like our present government, and also historically, we
As possible, then brush up your civil engineering a little.
right, sir.
You know, like earthen dams.
Sir, I have read that India has the world's largest earthen dam.
Okay.
I think it is Tehri or
Yeah, you can find out. I'm saying is you just check about that.
yes.
Then I think when I asked you about India's neighbors, for example, two political parties each in Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Nepal, you went blank.
Yes.
You need to know, especially the countries around us, our neighbors. And you have, I think, put foreign service as your number 5 in terms
Yes,
of
sir.
preference. So what I suggest is you go to the MEA website, Ministry of External Affairs website, check on a few things like India's foreign policy, then India's neighbors. There are write-ups on India's neighbors, so read them and then make notes. And which newspaper you read?
Sir, earlier I used to read Hindu and Indian Express. Right now I am reading Economic Times and Times of India.
Both you are reading. Economic Times and Times of India.
Yes.
Okay, whenever you read the newspaper, try to keep track of all these events, international events or events of national importance,
Yes.
and especially foreign dignitaries visiting India. Now President Trump is here, he will be gone tomorrow morning, I think.
Yes.
But there may be other dignitaries, around the time of your interview. So keep track when you are reading the newspaper, you read and make notes. Okay?
Right.
So all the very best, Shubham.
Thank you, sir.
Shubham, very promising candidate, but of course you'll be formally dressed for the interview
Yes, sir.
and wear a plain shirt, not something with spots on it or whatever. Now, please realize it's a test of your personality, so don't guess. You have a propensity to guess, and when your guess goes wrong, then it will fetch you negative marks. So, for instance, when I asked you about the Richter scale, it's actually 30 times. From 5 to 6 would be 30 times. Each progression is 30 times. Okay. I asked you about water stress cities, you said 30, it's actually 21.
Sir, I read about it, so I was sure that it is greater than 20, but exactly.
But there, don't guess.
Yes.
I'll tell you why it's wrong to guess. We are looking at your officer-like qualities. Okay. Guessing means you are prone to speculate without being certain of what is happening. An administrator must be certain of his facts. Okay. So I'll tell you how to approach this now. Take about 40 to 50 of these A4 size papers and make bullet points. DAF, current events, your optional, your academic subjects, and then when you revise, then you'll have a structured response to give, and it will be easy to revise also.
Yes.
So artificial intelligence, right, blockchain, whatever is top of the mind these days. Trump's visit,
Yes.
Trump's impeachment. What were the 2 grounds of his impeachment?
So, he was involved in the Ukrainian president, I think.
You are right,
Yes.
but then you have to give the grounds of his impeachment: abuse of power
Right.
and
right.
obstruction of justice. So these will come when you do that kind of, and then watch a television channel called WION, WION. It will give you a handle on the current events. All the best, you'll do very well.
Thank you, sir.
Shubham, your DEF is a major source of all questions.
Yes.
Whatever is written in this can be reused.
Yes.
Bihar is always a regular question. Bihar has many issues.
Yes, sir.
Caste is only one of them. All sorts of issues are there, and Bihar questions can always be there. I asked you about Delhi pollution.
Yes, sir.
You see, about 10 years back, Punjab government passed a law, Punjab and Haryana government passed a law asking the farmers to grow rice in the month of June. They earlier used to grow it in April.
Yes.
So April, the crop would be ready in August. So if the crop residue was burnt, winds would remain there only. You were right that the winds moved from west to this side.
Yes.
But in October, the winds started coming from north to Delhi.
Yes.
Right? Monsoons are coming back, so wind flows this side. So with the result that now the crop is being sown in the month of June and it's ready only at the end of September and early October.
Yes. Sir, I read this in newspaper that
Yeah.
because to reduce the stress on water.
There is a controversy theory, there is a conspiracy theory also on this, that it is the American interests who wanted this to be done. They only said a lot of groundwater, this water is waste,